Hi everyone! Today we're making the ultimate childhood snack, super crispy, homemade potato smileys. These are way better than the frozen kind, and so simple to whip up. First, take 2 potatoes, wash, peel, and chop them into chunks. Cook them until they're tender, then move them to a bowl and mash them thoroughly. We want the texture perfectly smooth with no lumps. Now add 3 tablespoons of corn flour for that signature crunch, plus a pinch of salt. Mix it all together into a soft dough. To make the dough easier to handle, add a tablespoon of oil to grease it. This keeps everything nice and pliable. Next, roll the dough into small, even balls. Flatten each one gently in your palm and place them on a plate. Give them a light brush of oil to keep the surface smooth. Now for the fun part. Use the end of a pen to poke out 2 little eyes and the edge of a spoon to give them a big, happy smile. Carefully slide your smileys into the hot oil one by one. Fry them until they turn a beautiful, deep golden brown and feel perfectly crispy. And there you have it, tasty, crunchy potato smileys ready to be served with your favorite sauce. They're so fun to make and even better to eat. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that subscribe button for more. Enjoy!